Want to make your UI, UX designs pop and truly come alive? Let's dive right into After Effects. First things first, create a new composition. Think of this as your project's canvas. Define your dimensions. These should match your screen size or desired UI element size. Set your frame rate, which determines animation smoothness, and duration, which is how long your animation will play. Click OK when done. Now, let's add some basic shapes. Use the Shape tool from the toolbar to draw a rectangle. This becomes your first UI element. Customize it using the Properties panel, adjusting fill color, stroke, and size to match your design. Practice by creating a few more shapes for a variety of elements. Animation is where the fun begins. Select your element and go to its transform properties. Select the position property. Click the stopwatch icon next to position to create your initial keyframe. Move the playhead on your timeline to a different time, which determines when your animation ends. Then, adjust the shape's position in the composition window. After Effects will automatically create a second keyframe, animating the movement between those 2 points. Now add more keyframes. Experiment with moving, rotating, and scaling for multiple animations or shapes. Let's make the button interactive. Duplicate the button. Change its color to represent a hover state. Then, use your created animation to display the interaction. We're going to make it fade into the hover state on mouse over. This creates a more engaging user experience. You can also use the opacity property to create simple animations like fade-ins and fade-outs. Watch as it adds a subtle element of delight. This will communicate the user's action. And that's just a glimpse of what you can achieve. After Effects, when used strategically, becomes a really powerful tool in your UI, UX toolbox to create animations. The power is up to you. Start creating more effective demonstrations. Now get creative and experiment. Don't hesitate to learn more about tools and tutorials. Subscribe now.